Yo, Viv. Yo. Why won't it stop raining? Bessie? Anything? I actually know why it won't stop raining, but it's like, stop raining. But it's going to rain again tonight. Look at my hair. This is amazing. We'll talk about why it's been so relentlessly wet another time. For now, let's just be ready and knowledgeable about tonight. So this map was updated around 8:30 this morning. It's almost 11 now. The Storm Prediction Center did bring that level 3 risk just a little bit closer to us. In general, the messaging unchanged here. We are going to have an evening and overnight threat for severe weather. Because why not? Everyone loves to have storms when we're supposed to be sleeping. And the primary threat tonight is going to be damaging straight line winds. So dark green level 1, yellow level 2, and then orange level 3. Those risks just mean a higher likelihood that you would encounter a hazard. And the main hazard is wind. So here's a look at the timing. But before you look at this, I also want you to know, because this is a little unique, there's going to be 2 waves of storms. Often when we get severe weather that comes through, it's one wave. Once that line of storms passes you, go to sleep, all clear. But there's actually going to be 2. And that's why these windows of time are kind of long, like upwards of 6 hours. It accounts for both. So likely seeing storms come through western counties between 6 p.m. and midnight, along the I-65 corridor between 9 to 3. Again, these are approximations, and then proper overnight, midnight through daybreak Thursday morning for the eastern tier. I'm going to show you a computer model, and I'm going to show you what's going on right now. So it's actually pretty chill outside right now. It's cloudy. It's actually a little bit cooler since clouds have stunted some heating. But what we're waiting on is out to the west and northwest. And when we look to our neighbors up the road, you can see that the St. Louis area is under a tornado watch until the early afternoon hours. Now, I'm not expecting that kind of threat here. It's mainly straight line wind, but it's all connected to the same system. This model is a big picture, but don't worry, I'm going to walk you through it hour by hour. So you see the storms up near St. Louis. The tail of that line will fill in late tonight and approach. This is 7, 8, 9, 10 o'clock, 11, 12, 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m. You see another kind of impulse come through 4, 5, 6 o'clock in the morning. So multiple waves of storms expected overnight tonight. Timing graphic, I think, is usually most valuable in these setups. So again, we're looking at drive time home through the drive time out the door tomorrow. This is going to kind of be our last hurrah, and then we should dry off as we head into the weekend. Offensively humid, very high heat indices this weekend, but at least we'll start to dry out. So holler with questions. Let me know how I can help.